Bonjour et bienvenue à la Maison Française. In our previous lessons, we talk about the verbs. We talk about the ER verbs and the IR verbs. As we learned, that we say we have three groups, means it remain the RE verbs. But today we are not going to talk about the RE verbs. We are taking a particular verb in the ER group. We are going to learn about this verb, the verb aller. So le verbe aller et les prépositions. How to use this verb to form simple sentences. Aller means to go. So first of all, how do you form the present tense of this verb? Aller. Je vais. Tu vas. Il va. Elle va. Nous allons. Vous allez. Ils vont. Elles vont. So this is the present tense of the verb aller, which means to go. Now our problem today is to know how to use this verb to form sentences. This verb is used with other prepositions. If I want to say I'm going to school, I'm going to the market, I'm going to my house, I'm going to New York. So how can I form these sentences? In English, it's only two, but in French, you have different types of prepositions that we use with this verb. So this is what you are going to learn today. Are you ready? Then let's start. The first one is aller à. Aller à. And don't forget, anytime you want to use it, you have to conjugate this verb. Now, aller à is used when you are referring to going to a particular town, city, or village. Means I want to say I'm going to a particular town, like I'm going to New York, for example. How can I say it? Je vais à New York. Aller à is now je vais à New York. Nous allons à Paris. Nous allons à Paris. We are going to Paris. Ils vont à Accra. James va à Shimla. So all these places are towns. New York, Paris, Accra, and Shimla. They are all cities. So we use à, aller à. The second one is aller à là. And when do you use this one? It's you when you are referring to a particular place. But that place, number one, must be a common noun. And number two, feminine singular noun starting with a consonant. The place you are talking to must be a feminine noun. Like if I say, for example, je vais à la boutique. Boutique is a common noun and at the same time a feminine noun. So we use à la. Je vais à la boutique, shop. Elle va à la plage. La plage, the beach. Elle va à la plage. Alberta et John vont à la boulangerie. Boulangerie, the bakery. So à la boulangerie, féminine. Aller à L apostrophe. You have aller à and L apostrophe. How do you use this one? It's used when referring to a place, a common noun, But this one must be either masculine or feminine, but must start with a vowel or a silent H. Means used for both masculine and feminine singular noun that start with a consonant. But you remember, it's a common noun. Tu vas à l'église. Église is a church. Tu vas à l'église. Rose va à l'école. James va à l'hôpital. Vous allez à l'hôtel. They are all starting with a vowel. So we use L apostrophe. Aller au. And this one is used in two occasions. The first one, when you are referring to a place, which is also a common noun, but masculine singular noun, starting with a consonant. Like, je vais au marché. I'm going to the market. Nous allons au musée. Musée, the museum. Elle va au restaurant. Le directeur va au bureau. So marché, masculine, musée, masculine, restaurant, masculine, and bureau also a masculine noun. And they all start with a consonant. And the second one of aller au is referring to masculine countries that start with a consonant. And you can ask, how can I know that a country is masculine or feminine? Masculine countries in French do not end with E, even though we have exceptions, but don't worry, we have a particular lesson about this. Je vais au Portugal. Nous allons au Ghana. Elle va au Canada. Le directeur va au Japon. Anita va au Mali. They are all masculine countries and we use O. Aller un. And this one is used for feminine countries. Feminine countries are countries that end in E. As I said earlier, we will learn it later again. And also masculine countries that start with a vowel or a silent H. Means when the country is a masculine country, but it starts with a vowel or a silent H, we use un again, aller un. We have examples like Alberta va en France. France, feminine country. Tu vas en Italie, also a feminine country. Nous allons en Angola, masculine, but start with a vowel. Elle va en Chine, feminine country. Aller chez, and this one is very simple. It's used when you are referring to going to a person. So anytime you are talking about a person, you use chez. Elle va chez son père. She's going to her father. Il va chez le docteur. He's going to the doctor. Victor et moi allons chez James. Elles vont chez lui. Chez lui, to his house. Or they are going to his house. They are going to him. Je vais chez moi. I'm going to my house. Le garçon va chez le dentiste. The boy is going to the dentist. And the last one on the list is aller au. Aller au, A-U-X, and this one is used for places, masculine or feminine, plural nouns. And this one is used for plural nouns. Luc va aux toilettes. Luc va aux toilettes. Toilettes here is a plural noun, always plural. James va aux États-Unis. États-Unis, United States, plural. Nous allons aux informations. Elle va aux urgences. You can see all the nouns here are plural, either masculine or feminine, but the moment they are plural, we use O, A-U-X. This brings us to the end of our lesson of today. I hope you like it. Don't forget, subscribe, share it with your friends, and your comments are always welcome. See you in the next lesson. Au revoir.